Welcome to PPC Ad Editor tutorial. The image cropping tool in PPC Ad Editor allows you to resize and adjust images for Google Performance Max ads, ensuring they fit perfectly across all ad placements. This guide provides a step-by-step walkthrough to crop images efficiently for optimized ad performance. In the navigation bar, click on Previews. Find your Google Performance Max ad preview in the list. Select the checkbox next to Performance Max. Click on Preview in the Actions column for Performance Max. In the preview screen, click Add Mockup Preview to open the ad editor. In the modal, click on Images and Logos to choose assets for your ad. The asset library will open, showcasing all uploaded images with the default image format recorded. Click Upload to add a new image and crop it to match your preferences. Only the uploaded image will be available for cropping. PPC Ad Editor automatically generates 3 aspect ratios for various ad placements. If the auto-cropped versions don't fit, click on the aspect ratio preview to manually adjust. Drag and resize the crop box to focus on key parts of the image. Click the Select 3 Ratios button in the modal once you're satisfied with the cropping. After selecting images for your Performance Max ad, click the Save button to confirm your traces. In the form, click the Update button to save and apply the changes. By following these steps, you can easily crop and optimize images for Google PMAX ads in PPC Ad Editor, ensuring perfect ad visuals across all placements.